In the heart of Mexico City, street food thrives like nowhere else. Vendors line the bustling streets, each offering their distinct specialty. Tacos al pastor, marinated meat cooked on vertical spits, are a must-try, bursting with flavor and served with fresh pineapple. Meanwhile, elote, grilled corn slathered in lime, cheese, and chili powder, captures the essence of summer. Don't miss out on churros, sweet fried dough sprinkled with cinnamon sugar, perfect for a late-night snack. A journey through Mexico City's street food is not just about the food, but a celebration of culture and community.